All right, so now we're going to add in some sound effects to this game. All right, so this is if you want to get full credit on this. This is not in the instructions. This is to get that 4 out of 4. So I'm going to keep it real simple and be like, all right, well, if he touches the target, we get like a little fun sound. So I'm going to go to, I think it's world, play sound. There it is. And I just drag it in here. And I'm going to find myself a sound that I like. Oh, that's a good sound. I kind of like this one. All right. And there it is. And false means it plays once. True means it'll like repeat. So I want on false. All right, that's cool. Now, another thing I can do is I want to have some background music. So watch what I can do. I can go up to play sound. I put it right at the very top because I just want it to play this whole time. Let's see, background. How about game time? It's not playing. Where is it? Come on, game time. Maybe. I don't want fire burning. Ooh, that's cool. So, and I do want this to play repeated. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That makes my game look a lot cooler. And I'm like, okay, maybe there's something else. Oh, and you know what I also want? Is if I want to have it like when it's over, I want to be like, you lose. Yeah, that might not work with my current coding. That would take some more intense coding. And also, it's harder to do the target because if it's touching, it's going to like make it go a bunch of times on top of each other. So I feel like that's pretty good coding. I have some background music and some. Yeah, it's a lot more polished now. I'm overwhelming my internet right now. Okay, there you go. That's how you do it.